Hey, it's Thursday, March 6th, 2018. The time is 12:54 p.m. Got all my washer settings fixed. So what I'm going to do is show you and tell you how I fixed the machine, that horrible noise it was making months ago. Yeah. Okay. You see this right here? It's like a little agitator. Somehow there was, like, coins stuck down in there, and I don't even know how, honestly. But they came up during a wash, and, it was not even allowing it to drain. But, today I'm going to prove that it's been working by washing my laundry, which is something I need to do anyways. So, okay, so the first thing I put in is my Suavitel. I have to put the camera down for a second. Stop it, kitty. Sorry, I got a kitty rubbing up against me. Okay, pre-soak is on. Stop. I know you want to be in a video, but you can't. And I'm pouring my soap in real quick. So... Sorry. Okay. Alright, now here is the more simpler part. I also use this the OxiClean 2-in-1 power packs. And I hold on, I gotta do something here. I usually put 1 or 2 in them, depending on the size of the load. And, this one ain't gonna be a very big load, so, just let me load the stuff into it. I bought a new, AC/DC t-shirt that I'm gonna throw in here, too. See? For most of you that don't know, I am a pretty big fan of theirs. Of course, obviously, you know it's part of my username. Sorry. I also have another one of their shirts that I had to wash. And I'm also going to demonstrate the washing machine working. This is a bit slower because I'm holding the camera with one hand. What do you want? I think I know what you want, but give me a minute here. Sorry, my cat keeps photobombing or video bombing me, whatever you want to say. I gotta use 2 hands to pick up the socks here. Oh. And then we will press start on the machine, and we'll see if it makes that terrible noise again. I don't think it has been, but I'm just going to prove it in a YouTube video. It hasn't been. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have to convert this into 2 loads. So I think I will. Just go ahead and get started. Okay. First thing I do, put in, well, since these are stuck together and since this is a big load, 2 of those packs. And I leave 2 more down here for the next load. Now I know what she wants. She's hungry, crap. Okay, nothing in the dryer. Now, for the magic moment, when I press start, that's right, right, and right, okay. Let me go feed her real quick. Let's just go through its cycles. Its first cycle while I do, so she doesn't trick me. got all the setting the camera down. Well, the same thing. Phone, camera, whatever you want to call it. My laundry detergent's right here, so I don't forget to take them out of here. Grab this computer chair over here. Not only is this our laundry room, this is also where the computer room is at. Well, the computer room for my mom, so technically I should just say her at-home office. Sorry, I have a breathing problem. Pull this chair over and wait for the magic to happen. It's not really magic, but you know what I mean. It's pretty boring sitting here home alone doing laundry. But if I don't do my laundry, who will? Oh, my foot, sorry. I also tried to look for a manual that was supposed to be on that side of the machine, but apparently my machine doesn't have one. And if it does, we can't get to it. My curiosity is, why would they put a washing machine manual inside of the washer? Why can't they just, like, lay it in the drum when you buy it or something? I seen a video on that earlier, so I was just wondering, because mine's a Whirlpool washer. It's an older one, but it's still, like, supposedly got some codes or something on it. Sorry, a piece of hair got on my phone screen. There we go, it's off. I'm sorry for all the talking. I'll probably stop. Get down, Dio. It's my kitty. What you doing, huh? You want in my laundry basket? Wouldn't recommend that. The thing I don't like about this washer is that it takes an hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours just to wash one load. But it was a freebie. It was given to me by my brother, and so was the matching dryer, but it works great, don't get me wrong, but I just don't like the way it takes forever to wash. Like, example, if, you were to spill something on your bed in the middle of the night, like at midnight or something, you'd have to wait at least until 2 a.m. before you could even put it in the dryer. And sometimes the dryer is not even guaranteed to dry. I'm sorry, my cat will not leave me alone. That's the only thing I don't like about this machine. Other than that, it's a great washer. I just don't like the way it takes too long, and I definitely don't like the fact that it can actually easily get coins and stuff like that wedged down into that little place I showed you. I would really prefer we get a front load washer, like the, what I'm talking about, the stackable ones. For matching washer and dryer. But I just wanted to show you guys the washing machine is fixed. Like I said, just 2 little coins ruined the machine. And plus, I was killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I was demonstrating the machine being fixed and doing my laundry at the same time. I also read on the lid that it says it's a double tub washing machine, like you can fit 2 loads into it, but that's a load of bullcrap too. Because it takes forever. That really takes forever to dry. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace, American Power, bye.